Hello everybody, happy Thanksgiving in advance. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I promised, which is how to make cream spinach. For this recipe, I'm gonna be doing small quantity today because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I have to make a bigger quantity. So I'm gonna use 2 pounds of chopped spinach, frozen spinach for this recipe. I'm gonna use half of a white onion chopped, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of half and half. You can use heavy cream, but I'm using half and half, so that's fine. And I'm going to use 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. As you can see, I have this huge block, so I'm going to cut a little piece because tomorrow I'm going to be using it a lot. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese for this recipe and 4 tablespoons of butter. That's it. This is all I'm going to need, and it's very easy. I'm going to show it to you step by step. Here we go. Okay, we want the onion to look like this, not brown. Okay, so it's beginning to brown. We don't want that. So we're going to add the spinach right now. We are going to add our spinach to the sauté onion, like that. It's chopped. You can use fresh spinach, so make sure that it's chopped. If you use fresh spinach, you wash it and you chop it really well. And this is pre-washed and pre-chopped and frozen. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and cover it for a little bit, for about 3 minutes or so. Right about now, I season to taste. I put a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper if you like. I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese. Okay, and we're gonna put it all the way in the bottom so that it starts melting. Trying to melt the cream cheese. Cook it on medium heat and stir as you go. We're going to cover it again and leave it there for a few minutes. First, we're going to add the nutmeg, and that's the last ingredient. After a few minutes, looks like our spinach is ready now. So you have 2 choices. You can go ahead and leave it like this and serve it. It is perfectly creamy and delicious. Or you can go ahead and bake it in the oven and put some Parmesan and some breadcrumbs on top and serve it after baking it for a few minutes. About 10 minutes in the oven, it'll form a really nice crust with the Parmesan and the breadcrumbs, and you can go ahead and do that, or this is it. This is creamy enough and it's delicious enough. You don't have to bake it. And now I'm getting ready to put it on our either oven safe baking dish or you just a serving Pyrex or serving dish.